All right, we're here in Pinecrest Lake. Gonna go for another adventure. This time, family's out on the boat. We're on the kayaks, and it's a beautiful day. All right, let's go for it. Brooklyn and I decided to take a little breather so we could admire the dam and admire the scenery. The family was on the boat looking for a spot to fish. They saw us, they had to come over and say hi. It is so funny. Just look at this. How could you not love this place? This place is beautiful, including this woman right here. Alright, this adventure has been such a good one. Thank you for watching, and you're amazing.